During this course, I designed a multitude of projects. For example, this, by far the easiest project we had to do, which is choose an object, and if you liked it, you were able to print it.
Overall, this course was pretty awesome. You know, I was using different programs like Blender, Sculptris.
It was my first time 3D printing, experiencing it. Before, I never knew, I go in the library back home and I see a 3D print. I was like, I always wonder what, what is a 3D print? And this was really my first time experiencing it. It was really cool.
Instead of doing all the written part of this stuff, I could be able to, I learned better at being able to create it and then see it physically. That's why I really like this school. The education is good.
We used 4 different softwares. It was easy. I really enjoyed the class and I had a fun time experiencing this.
I like that I was able to be creative just because with my sight, doing this on a computer where I can magnify and zoom in and zoom out, it just made things a lot easier. It was a fun class. I want to take the next level, Printing 2 in the fall.
It's definitely time-consuming, but if you put in the time and let your creativity flourish and just put in the work, it's an amazing experience to have, and I recommend it to anybody that comes.
I want to specialize in prosthetics and making prosthetic legs, hands, arms, and this kind of hit like a jump start to kind of make me want to keep doing this and keep moving. This kind of drove me and motivated me to keep going.